Internet, Rainy Brain here. Today I'm going to be making a masterboard with colors chosen by my toddler. So my toddler was painting a few days ago, and the colors he wanted to use were dark purple, yellow, and gray. And I thought it would be fun to try and make a masterboard with those colors. I'm going to start with a yellow background paper, and I'm going to add some black lines. Then I'll cut some squares of purple and gray tissue paper. Next, I'll be using a shape sorting toy to stamp some purple paint. And I'm also going to add a little white. Next, I have these two papers that I'll be tearing into pieces. One is a page of handwritten notes that I've painted over with black and silver, and the other is from, I believe, an old ledger type book. And now I'm going to add some gray circles with a random circle thing. I'm using these scallop edge scissors to cut up this envelope from the Sticky Club subscription because it has purple on it. I think it will fit nicely in with the masterboard. I'm going to add more purple and yellow. I'll be using this tool to add the purple. It is a bottle cap glued to a cork, and I'll be using this block to make some squares with yellow. I have some napkin strips left over from other projects that I'll now be using to add some more texture to this masterboard. I know I've said it before, but I really like how napkins work with masterboards. I love the texture they give, and I love how you can still kind of see behind them. It's just a really interesting look, in my opinion. Now I'm going to add some gray rectangles using another block. Now I'm going to add some purple ink spray. And for my last layer, I'm going to make some yellow flowers with this foam stamp. And there it is! So tell me what you think about using purple, yellow, and gray together. Should I listen to more color choices from my toddler, or do you have any ideas? I'd love to hear some of your favorite color combinations, and maybe I'll make a masterboard with them. Thank you so much for watching! Bye!